Welcome back. 16 days have passed. The main accused in the Nigerian murder case are still at large. Till now, police have arrested only 2 persons in this case. Police team, which were hot pursuit of the main accused, Omkar Palyekar, and 5 others, returned empty-handed even after half a month. Police have not issued a lookout notice against the accused, nor have declared them absconding.
On 30th October, Nigerian national Obado Uzoma Simeon was found dead with stab injuries. His murder had led to protest by Nigerians who had blocked the national highway, creating ruckus. The pressure mounted on Goa government as the issue was debated at international level. Government of Goa assured that murderers will be booked, but more than half a month has passed. Police have arrested only 2 persons in the case and have not even declared remaining culprits as absconding. Omkar Palyekar and other 5 who are allegedly involved in this murder case are still not arrested by the Goa police. Police called Omkar's father, Keshav Palyekar, to Mapsa police station and inquired with him about whereabouts of his son. Sources informed that police also raided Omkar's shack with the hope to find some clue. Surendra Paul and Praveen Mandrekar are the only accused arrested till now. Sources informed that few days back, 3 teams of police had gone to Karnataka and Maharashtra in search of the murderers, but they returned empty-handed. Bureau Report, Prudent.
A milkman was found murdered in the forest of Asagaon on Saturday. Dead body of Mahesh Kopal, aged 24 years from Pede Mapsa, was found at Asagaon. 2 suspects who are minor in age have been detained by Mapsa police. Dead body is sent for postmortem to GMC.
Mapsa police, under supervision of SDPO Serafin Dias, arrested 2 accused in a murder case. Murder of one Mahesh Kopal, aged 24 years. जो 28 वर्सां पयलीं मर्डर जाल्लो आजगांव ताची बॉडी मेळिल्ली आनी इमिजिएटली पुलिसांनी एक्शन घेवन 2 जाणांक अरेस्ट केले. Police have registered an offence under section 302, 394, 201, read with 34 of the IPC. आणि पुलिस चौकशी चालू आसा.
Sant Andre MLA has taken a dig at Lata Mangeshkar on her comments about Sachin. Lata had wished that more players like Sachin keep the Indian flag flying. Vishnu questioned why Lata Mangeshkar did not strive to groom better singers.
भायल्यो संस्था ह्यो आमच्या संस्था मुखार हाडून उबी दवरपाची गरज आसा काय कितें हो एक मोठो प्रश्न आसा. उदाहरणूच घेवपाचें स्ट्रेट उलोवपाचें जालें जाल्यार हांव म्हणटा आमचे कडेन गोवा डेरी आहा. गोवा डेरी ही कॉपरेटीव बेसिसाचेर चलता आनी साद्यांतल्या साद्या म्हणजे एक गाय आशिल्ल्या मनशा पासून 50 गाय आशिल्ल्या मनशा पर्यंत हेंचो सहभाग हो ह्या गोवा डेरीन आहा. प्रायसा बद्दल मातशें आसतालें की प्रायस मातशें चड आसा हें आसा तें आसा. पूण आतां जर पळयत जाल्यार आतां गोंयांत पूर्णपणे अमूल सारकी जी एक तेंपार कॉपरेटीव आशिल्ली आनी आतां ती कॉपरेटिवा मदली कॉर्पोरेट जाल्या. तेका आज आमी हांगा उक्त्या दारांनी भितर गोंयांत हाडल्या आनी अमुलान डायरेक्ट चॅलेंज आमच्या गोवा डेरीच्या मुखार हे केल्या. म्हणजे ते कित्याक 100 किलो वजनाचो कोण एक मल्ल आहा आनी तेच्या मुखार 500 किलो वजनाचो एक मल्ल हाडचो आनी ताका सांगचें तूं आतां झगड झगडे कोण जिखता तें पळोवया म्हणून तेजें उत्तर सोंपें आहा कोण जिखतलो. विनंती आसा सहकार मंत्र्याक हो निर्णय ह्या निर्णयात ते सहभागी आसतल्याचें म्हाका तर दिसना मना पासून हांव जाणा. लता मंगेशकरची तातूंत एक हें आशिल्लें की सचिनने नवीन तरुणांना संदी द्यावी आनी त्यांना फुडें हाडावे म्हणून. पूण लता मंगेशकरान कितले नवे हांकां फुडें हाडले हेजें उत्तर तिणें दिवपाय म्हणून. जर खूब ती मोठी कलाकार पूण बारीक विचार करून पळयत जाल्यार गीता दत्त, शारदा, सुमन कल्याणपूर, सुलक्षणा पंडित, अनुराधा पौडवाल पासून आजच्या श्रेया घोषाल पर्यंत केन्नाच कोणाकूच लतान बाबा ही माझी वारसदार अशें म्हणून एक तरी गायिका लोकांच्या मुखार दवरल्या जाल्यार तुमी सांगता.
That official language act which was passed in 1987 needs to be reviewed today, and government should sincerely review what is the exact benefit that has gone to Konkani by making it only in Devanagari state.
Congress has criticized BJP government on organizing a national executive meet in Goa and the Germany garbage tour. Congress claims government is looting the state treasury. Spokesperson of the Congress Amarnath Panjikar said Goa government is planning its strategies with selfish motives.
बीजेपीचे नॅशनल एक्झिक्युटिव्ह जे अटेंड जाता ते स्टेट गेस्ट कशें जावंक शकता हो गैरकारभार जावन आसा. बीजेपीच्या आपणाच्या ऑफिस बेररांक स्टेट गेस्ट म्हणून जाहीर केले आनी ताचेर उपाट खर्च केल्लो आसा. आमकां प्रश्न पडटा की खरेंच ह्या दौऱ्याची गरज आसली, खरेंच 37 लोकांक जर्मनीक धाडपाची गरज आसली. ह्या दौऱ्यार एकटो जावं दोग जाण वचून तो सखोल अभ्यास करून ते प्रेजेंटेशन गोंयान मांडून बेस बरे रितीन जावंक शकता. हे आयज कर्जान बुडलेले आसा, रीण काडून हे सरकार आयज चलता आनी अशा वेळार विदेशी वारी मंत्री, आमदार आणि बीजेपीचे कार्यकर्ते विदेशी दौऱ्यांचेर वयतात आणि सरकाराच्या तिजोरीची ही लूट चलयल्ली आसा.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.